Children, let's continue the discussion of the story Matchbox. In the last class, we noticed Nomida is speaking furiously. Finally, it also made her husband Ajit to act violently, and he also started to mock at the background of Nomida. And now this is the situation. So their rage or their uncontrolled violent anger, this is what actually the situation now. Now in this situation, Nomida wants to teach her husband a lesson. Let us see what is this lesson. All of you take your textbook. This paragraph from the page 20, paragraph begins from their rooms on the third floor. You start from this paragraph to the other side. Her niece Rini steps into the room. Up to this, you read. Now, from this paragraph, these lines tell us how strongly Nomida is acting. As we said, she wanted to teach her husband a lesson. So she is speaking in a violent tone. See, her emotions, her feelings. This is clear. The word panting. You can see this word panting here. So because of this extreme feeling, she cannot clearly speak or utter her words. She cannot speak clearly. When her husband Ajit wanted to do something, so it was a type of argument like. Got it? So she wanted to prove it. So what actually she did? She tries to set fire to her side. See, that is what we can read from these lines. She took Ajit's matchbox and set fire to her side. So this situation, Ajit becomes cool. Actually, Ajit didn't expect these types of nature from his beloved wife. That is why in this critical situation, he wants to change Nomida from this act. Immediately, he tries to put out the fire. So, now the situation is totally changed. We have to understand one thing from this incident, what actually Nomida was even ready to end her life just because of getting her freedom, or just because of enjoying her liberty, or just because of getting her rights protected. So for this, she wanted to commit suicide, end her life. You know, this is the extreme. So even she was ready to do this extreme thing. That is what we have to notice. Now, when Ajit became cool, there we are not having what actually Namida was speaking next. Meanwhile, her niece enters to the room. So this is the situation. Now from these paragraphs, these words and phrasal verbs you have to keep in mind. The word panting. Okay, you have to keep its meaning. Then the phrasal verb put out. Okay. Then blazing, the word blazing. Okay. So these words keep in mind. Now you have to answer this question too. Question: how does Namida frighten Ajit? You have to answer this question in your English notebook. Okay.